Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create Subtask on JIRA. First of all, what you have to do is open JIRA and sign in with your account, and then what you have to do is simply select your project. Now once your project has been opened, go to the backlog. Now from here, what you can do is, if you have an open sprint or if you haven't created any sprint, then what you have to do, you can simply create a sprint. Once it has been created, you can move your items to your sprint. Now once added, what I will do, I will double click and then it will open this window. From here I can move or improve the work item, and I can assign some assignees, labels, and there is a new thing called create branch. So I can also create a branch from here. But if I scroll down just a bit, I will see a new button called configure. If I click on it, it will open this page. Now I'll be able to see some new options like tasks, subtasks, and add work type. So what I will do, I will simply click on edit workflow and I will simply create a new task called subtask. I have just created just like that. How I have created it, I have just created add status and create new status, give any name, and I have given the name subtask, and after that I have connected the dots from to do to subtask and from subtask to in progress. So once I have created, and then what I will do, I will go back to the same page, which is backlog. From here what I will do, I will simply click on the drop down menu and select the subtask, and if I refresh the page, you will be able to see that I have created and moved my task to the subtask, and that's how you can create subtask on JIRA. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.